Tired of old payment methods cluttering your Facebook ad account or just want to keep your spending in check? Let's dive into removing or updating your payment information in Facebook Ads Manager. First, open your Facebook Ads Manager. You can usually find this by navigating to your Facebook profile and clicking the Ads Manager button. Once you're in the Ads Manager, look for the menu button, which is usually indicated by the 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it to open the menu and reveal more options. From the menu, locate and tap on Billing. This will take you to the Billing section where you can manage your payment information. You should now be on the Billing Overview page here. Located in the top right corner, you should click the Payment Settings button. You will be brought to a page with all your payment methods linked to your ads account. Here you can remove old credit and debit cards, PayPal accounts, and more. Now, find the payment method you want to remove. You should then hover over the 3 vertical dots besides the payment method. Then a remove option will appear. Then you can tap Remove Method. Facebook will ask you to confirm that you want to remove that payment method. Tap on Remove again to confirm, and the unwanted payment method should be deleted from your account. Alternatively, if you want to replace a payment method instead, you will also find a place to add a new payment method from the Billing Options page. Just follow the on-screen prompts, and you're good to go. And that's it. You've successfully removed or updated your payment information. Remember to review your billing settings periodically to ensure your ads run smoothly and you stay within your budget. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. #Facebook Ads, #Payment Settings.